Welcome back to Foundation Physical Therapy's YouTube channel. My name is Christian Compian. I'm a physical therapist, fellowship trained in orthopedics. Today, I'm going to show you a good way to kind of start being a little more proficient at your push-ups. Make sure you're doing them in good form, especially if you have any kind of shoulder pain or lower back pain while you're doing push-ups. Doesn't mean push-ups aren't for you, it just means you need little cues. You need some cueing to make sure you do it correctly. So now this band we're here is going to do two things. It's going to make sure that I stabilize my shoulder a little bit better. And the other thing it's going to do is it's going to make sure I don't go too far down into my push-up and hurt my shoulder. If you're pushing up here and you come way far down and that shoulder comes forward, that puts a lot of stress on the front of the shoulder. So what we're going to do with this band is we're going to set it on our forearms at a position that when my chest comes down and touches that band, I'm done and I know my shoulder is in a safe position. So we start out by getting the arms about shoulder width apart. A little wider is okay. There are various different types of push-ups, but this one is going to be just your standard arms forward push-up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down, okay? And I'm going to learn to engage my core with every push-up. So once I get here, I want to pull that my abdominals in so that I feel like I'm creating a little cavity just under my stomach here. So I pull it in and I really try to prevent my back from arching up, and I'll try to demonstrate a good push-up and a bad one. And so once you're here, again, first thing I do is I engage my core to keep it flat, and I'm here, and then I come up, okay? And now I have that band there, so my chest doesn't have to go all the way to the floor. I can come to here, and then I can come straight up. Now at that point, it shouldn't be, I shouldn't get my shoulder shifting way forward like this, right? I've used the band to tell me to stop and then come up, and the whole time I'm trying to keep my back flat. Now, bad push-up would be if I allow my back to arch, and then I kind of do this, right? At this point, I've put my shoulder in a bad position, and my lumbar spine is in a bad position. It's going to cause a lot of pressure on my low back. So that's just a quick variation on push-ups that's going to help if they're giving you any kind of shoulder pain or low back pain. Remember, push-ups are a fantastic exercise and they get a lot done. It's really not just a chest and tricep exercise. It works on core stability, it works on good form. So I'm a fan of push-ups as long as they're done correctly. So again, we remind you that movement is a gift, and we hope that you like these videos. If you do, please share them with others or subscribe to our channel, and enjoy.